In this video, we will cover tax deductions for disability and specified diseases. Income tax rules allow for 3 different deductions. Let's look at deduction under Section 80 DDB. This section provides deductions towards expenses incurred for medical treatment of specific diseases or ailments. This deduction can be claimed by individuals and HUF. Corporates and NRIs cannot claim this deduction. Senior citizens can avail of a deduction up to 1 lakh and others can avail up to 40,000 rupees. Dependents such as parents, spouse, children or siblings can be considered for this deduction. Let's now look at medical treatments allowed under Section 80 DDB. The following 8 diseases or ailments are covered under this deduction of 80 DDB. The documents required should be prescribed by a relevant specialist mentioning the need for treatment along with the proof of treatment undertaken. Now let's look at deductions under Section 80 DD. This deduction can be claimed for dependents with disability. Deduction for expenses on maintenance and medical treatment of differently abled dependents can be taken under this section. Dependents can be parents, spouse, children or siblings. 40% or more of the following disabilities are considered for the purpose of tax exemption. Deductions are permissible in either of the 2 cases: costs incurred for medical treatment, training or rehabilitation, amount spent towards insurance scheme for maintenance of the disabled dependent, disability certificate issued by state or central government medical board is necessary to claim this deduction. Up to Rs 75,000 or actual expenditure incurred can be claimed. For severe conditions, up to Rs 1.25 lakhs can be claimed. A severe disability condition is one which has 80% or more of the disabilities mentioned. The life insurance policy should be on the taxpayer's name with the disabled person as the beneficiary. Let's now look at deductions under Section 80U. This deduction can be claimed by a taxpayer who suffers from certain disabilities or diseases. The following disabilities are covered under Section 80U. Medical certificate from neurologist, civil surgeon or chief medical officer of government hospital is required as proof. Up to Rs 75,000 can be claimed in case of normal disability of 40% or more, and 1.25 lakhs can be claimed in case of 80% or more disability. Please note that these deductions are over and above your 80D deductions available on payment of health insurance premium. Thank you.